quality. Oh my god, you can even, it's like proper clear.
It's proper clear, isn't it, bruv?
That's very cringe. I'll be a vlogger, just do this.
I say, people love you vlogging, because I can see your face.
Welcome to Real Errors vlog.
The boys will be like, oh my god, it's my friend. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Very cringy.
Look at how hot.
Hey. 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 What are you doing?
Wait, am I recording? Abby! Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay, so guys, we're in London right now. I'm Ted. Hi guys, at Teddyboy213, not 123. And we're following Red Emz and Pink Fox Gaming.
And it's nice now because I don't have the third wheel anymore.
Yeah, we don't
have my boyfriend with
we
me.
don't have the third wheel together. We're actually a couple right now.
We are.
We're sharing a bed. It's official. And we're going to this like arcade thing, so it's gonna be really fun. Can they hear me though?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so okay, good. Might be a bit windy for you guys, but yeah, I'm really excited. It's my weekend with Gabby. I'm really excited when she goes because she's my little Australian friend, and I love her to pieces. And I subbed to her before I even knew who she was. So, I mean, by the way, I'm at 6 months right now on your Twitch.
Yeah, we're nearly having a baby.
Yeah, we're 3 months too on Twitch, baby. Oh shit, hang on, can I record that?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, hang on, 1 sec. Fucking hell, this is really bad footage.
Yeah, no, that's good, great.
Real Red Emz, right there. On the London Eye.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! How did you do that? I'm pissed.
I practiced.
You got this, let's go. Not too bad. Oh my god. Oh, so good.
You record me, I'll record you.
I told you I'm the best at this.
Fuck this. I'm so upset. Wait, who's winning right now? Hold on. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. She's winning.
I think, is it the most? It's me? Alright, let's go, MZ. Okay, listen. Should we do it again?
Okay, alright. Damn, she's clocking. That's what you get for being cocky. That is what you get.
Double chin out.
Dude, I'm
So turning in the line.
I actually.
It's just like tea.
It stresses me out. How are you feeling about losing right now?
I'm stressed out.
Are you really?
I'm lost.
I'm first, I'm pretty shook. Hello? Oh, so close. The real Red Emz is stressed. No, you got this, let's go. Strike.
Let's charge backwards.
Oh, not You're second what? Oh!
You did exactly the same, so don't even dare.
Okay, yeah, but I gotta strike the next round, the next time.
I'm gonna strike the next one.
Do it, I dare ya.
Wife material.
Yeah, he's my boyfriend.
That was a swift movement. Did you just see that? Yeah, that was like...
Alright. She's ready. She's pissed because she's lost. Can she do it? Can the comeback happen? Find out next. And... Hell... Oh my god! You got all of them! What? How did you do that?
I just hope for the best.
Let's go. Oh my god. You literally got one. Bro, oh, you got another one, but you know, same spot.
Like 360 notes right there. Get them camera angles. How the fuck do you zoom in with this thing? What? Oh. Oh.
Every single time I miss it. But it's okay, I'm still in the lead. Hey! High five! Sorry, my high five.
Suck on that, bitch.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
If she gets a strike now, I'm gonna be pissed. That was Abby.
What?
Go on, Emma. I believe it's not across the world.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
You're shitting. All balls are heavy.
What? Yo, I'm about to lose this, I'm pissed.
How are you drawing?
Oh shit.
That's all.
You just can't get a strike.
I can't. It's what happened.
Alright, Gabby, let's go. I'm pissed. Ted's beating me.
It's actually impossible for you to win because I'm over 10 ahead of you. So,
I don't want to talk about it.
I've actually won. I've won. I've won. It's impossible for Abby to get more.
Fuck! I'm pissed. And now Emma's beating me too. You're literally in front of me now.
You're going to take me though, give it.
No, I won't. No, I won't.
So Abby came third, I believe. She come third, yeah. Ted came first, I came second. Then participated. Yes, that's it. How do you feel?
She's pissed.
How do you feel?
I'm pissed.
She's looking for his humiliation.
How do you feel?
I beat all of you. How do you feel, midget?
Second, so like.
I think you're humiliated. we get a choke in the chat, please?
A big choke in the chat. Oh my god, Ted! What? Oh. Guys, what's going on? You're losing your balls!
Is she not in there? So, we're at the event. Optic just lost. I will call her. We're in the middle of an emergency right now. So, Gabby's just gone missing. And we're trying to find her. Ooh. We don't know where she is though. We'll find her. I mean, she's not gone far. As long as she hasn't left the building. Basically, she went to go pee. And we were waiting in the same place, but we can't find her right now, so we're just walking around trying to find her. And I'm getting dirty looks for vlogging. Abby sent me this footage. I'm not even getting my face in it, because we found her. Okay, breaking news.
We lost you.
We just found Gabby. I'm walking around. So awkward. How do I turn it off? Ah.
Yo, let's go!
Pasta!
Yo, she's fast as fuck, boy. Oh, you're so slow. Yeah, you're fast as fuck. Yeah.
Put it in my back pocket. Shit in hell! Sentius, how do you feel?
My hands hurt. Oh shit. Ah.
What's yours? Abby's turn, my high school.
Yeah.
I think it's like 13.
I gotta do better.
See that? That's focus. I'm a small midget.
Wow. So good.
Let's go, Sentius.
Oh my god, so good. Ted's still the best.
Okay, so I'm playing Fortnite. The girls take off their makeup and I'm just here. I'm really tired and I'm hungry. Oh hell no, focus. Focus. Focus on it.